Okay.
Yes. Kavita, one more.
Anu. Oh, should I continue?
Yeah, please.
Kavita, that's Rani. Hi. Kavita.
Level together.
Anu.
A
or R. Okay. Hi, Kavita. Yeah, same here.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. फिर इसके अलावा कुछ किया तुमने क्या?
Yeah, I am doing a film which is on floors and I'm joining my production. I'm sure it's going to be a very, very good.
पकड़े धक्का मत मार तेरा कैमरा की तेरा कैमरा की
आप हमारे सुपरस्टार तेरे गाना हो जाए
मैडम रानी जी
पीछे कैमरा
रानी मैम
वायर को
तेरे पार्टी है पहले पार्टी दे दो
क्या कर रहा था
मैम एवरीवन इन द सेंटर नाउ प्लीज यस
नील से सामने तो यहाँ पे
यस सर
स्टार्ट कीजिए सेंटर सर
रेडी सर यस 1 2 3
बड़े हो रहे थे
हाय गाइस
अंदर तुमको एक लाइट वाले को आने दे
लाइट
धक्का मत अंबे का दिया है अंबे का ओके हेलो ये मुझे यार पीछे से
बड़ा साउंड लगवा देते ना म्यूजिक का
तो गाना बजने दो थोड़ा
हाँ कुछ लगा भास
म्यूजिक दे तो
भाई दोस्त पारुल जी
हाँ जी
यो
तू बीच में ना लाइट में स्पीकर मतलब सर बटन में हाथ लगा
दो दिलों पे हुआ है खुदा दो दिलों पे हुआ है खुदा फासला ना रहा दो दिलों पे हुआ है खुदा
मैडम आप बैठ जाओ।
ताकते ताकते शाम से थक गए चांद सुबह किया
ओके ओके
आज की शाम तो यारों के नाम है, रंगीन शाम है, हाथ में जाम है। आज की शाम तो शुरू करो, सर चढ़ के बोले नशा। विस्की सोडा पियो, रंग पियो, खुशी में जियो।
यहाँ बोलोगे
And Jonas Har, who's a music director.
Rolling?
एक मिनट बस एक मिनट होगा. Tariq is here?
But it's AR, so
AR. ये पकड़ लो यहाँ please. हाँ who's here?
एक मिनट ये नहीं गिरेगा।
Rolling है? Ready? And this SSL because of the tree in Bombay.
Rolling?
And Ashok Khanna and the studio.
What is it?
The State Logic, which is analog.
okay, yeah. Does this really have?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Rolling?
Neil, tell us, you hardly come to any place. How come you're here? The very first question.
I think you can't take Neil away from a place where there's music. Belonging to a legacy of musicians, I think if the fraternity needs a support system, then I'll always be there for them. Yeah.
Okay, what are the three things you look into whenever you become or associate yourself with any brand, any?
I think the loyalty towards any brand, probably it would be just on three most important aspects. One is what their delivery is, what are they catering to. Second thing, I think the most important thing is how far are they going to reach out to. And I think the third most important is their willingness to reach out and create their brand to another level. So having said that, I think the reason why probably I'm here today is because music is a universal language. I don't think there's any place in this world, in this entire universe, that music is something that doesn't connect to you. You might not know the words, you might not know the lyrics, but the melody always stays back with you. Yeah.
Okay, Neil is here for he cut the ribbon and he is here. There is no need of introduction. His family belongs. How proud you feel, getting Neil on board?
Proud कम ही एक वर्ड होगा जो हम एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रहे. इतना एक बड़ा सा नील सर आ जाएंगे और करेंगे वो तो हम सोचा भी नहीं था, लेकिन वो एक सपना जैसे पूरा हो गया ऐसे फील हो रहा है हमें.
Not at all. Thank you so much. It's an honor.
Okay, Neil, apart from this, the Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, the trailer is well received, the promo is well received, everyone is appreciating it. What's your view? What's your take on that?
Well, I think I'm most excited about it. Probably I'm a part of the audience this time, and quite nervous and quite excited about the release. I'm waiting for the film to release on the 12th of November. It's a film extremely dear to my heart. Been very honored and privileged that I've been a part of this film, being a part of the Barjatia family, being a part of a Salman Khan film, and being a part, most importantly, of their legacy together. So I think it's in all it's a very important film for me, for my career, and I just request everyone to pray for me.
Was it challenging for you doing Prem Ratan Dhan Payo?
Well, in a way, definitely yes, because it's an ensemble cast. It's a family drama. It's a film in which you have so many layers to a character, and then in a Rajshri film, you have to make sure that you somehow make sure that you create a little space in people's heart. That's only when people do remember you. So I think in a small little way, I've tried to contribute to this film. Yes.
किस तरह का किरदार होगा नील, और इतने सारे लोग, सलमान खान खुद उस फिल्म का हिस्सा, सोनम कपूर उस फिल्म का हिस्सा, सूरज जी की पूरी फैमिली उस फिल्म का हिस्सा, उसके बावजूद अपने आप को इतने सारे लोगों के बीच में जिंदा रखना।
मेरा मानना है कि जब भी एक किरदार आपके सामने आए या पास आए, तो आप उसे ऐसे एवेल्युएट मत कीजिएगा कि बाकी फिल्म में कितने लोग हैं और कहीं इस भीड़ में मैं खो ना जाऊं। मेरा मानना है कि चाहे वो भले 2 ही सीन का रोल क्यों ना हो, आप उसे उसके इम्पोर्टेंस से एवेल्युएट करें और ना कि उसके लेंथ से। अगर पावरफुल कैरेक्टर है, बेशक एक सीन हो सकता है, मगर वो काफ़ी अगर दमदार है तो जी हाँ, बिल्कुल जाहिर सी बात है कि वो इम्पैक्ट छोड़ेगा। तो इसी बात पे प्रेम रतन धन पायो के लिए मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि छोटे भाई का रोल है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपके दिलों तक पहुँचे। जी
Anil, you've grown up in the music industry. You've been an integral part of film industry.
Yes.
Now you're visiting the studio today. It's got state logic system, which I said. What do you have to say about the music scenario in today's films?
Well, I think first of all, big congratulations to them, because it's quite an achievement. In our city, we have only 3 studios that have this system, and they're one of them who've gone there and contributed to this industry in such a nice and big way. Music, like I said earlier, is like a universal language. I think it just binds and connects everybody, and it's a great industry. Creativity has no boundaries, and I think in times to come, what's happening is that technically we are just getting more and more advanced. So we have to move ahead with times, and I think that's what exactly that they've done with this studio. It's very interestingly designed. It's very nice. It's compact. It's perfectly accustomed with all musicians to come and feel very comfortable in the studio. Yeah.
Thank you. रानी, चलते-चलते आपसे एक गाना जो आप नील के लिए डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे, जो आज यहाँ आए हैं।
ऐसे बोलने से गाना याद नहीं आता एक्चुअली। क्या गाऊँ अभी? खुद ही का जो मैंने गाया था वही मैं गा दूँ, क्योंकि अभी वो लोगों को मीन्स दिमाग में है। अभी जो मैंने वेलकम बैक में गाया था, थोड़ा अन्नू भी गा देगी, इसको भी शौक है, आकर्षक को भी। नस नस में मेरी नस नस में रेंगता है तू, मेरी नस नस में, नस नस में मेरी नस नस में रेंगता है तू ही मेरी नस नस में।
Awesome.
Thank you.
Really bad. Yeah, I hope that I come to the studio record and the sound